Welcome back, people. I've been working on this bike for the last couple of weeks. It's a very custom bike. When you got a bike that's this special, you really want to go the extra mile. I'm going to use the tools within the shop, specifically the plasma cutter, amongst others, to do a custom fender brace stabilizer. This is considered like a fork stabilizer. A custom touch is always nice. This is a particular specific application. There's not something that exists that will fit this exact scenario. These are the extra wide forks that you would see on a wide wheel Tomos. The wideness needs a little detail. It would look nice. We're gonna get to it, starting with some planning, measuring CAD. I'm gonna go through the process step by step, mostly in montage form for this video because I gotta get going. I gotta get this bike done. We're gonna plow through it. You're gonna see all the steps. Should be pretty entertaining. After a good once over on the edges, I center line them, all three parts so that I know everything is aligned. Next, it's gonna go in the press. I do need to machine some custom spacers to get it aligned perfectly. Head over to the lathe. Hope that gave you some inspiration, maybe gave you some ideas on what could be fabricated in the shop. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to make the tool to do a one-off. Sometimes that's the best way to do it. This is Pete from Second Stroke Mopeds saying, don't forget about mopeds. Follow along. See you next time.